Hello everybody, this is my first unboxing video. As you can see, today I am going to unbox my newly purchased Canon Image Class LGP 6030 printer. I bought this printer from a showroom of Metropolitan Computers Private Limited on 20th of May 2021. Since I am under quarantine now, I guess I'd have to open it on my bed. Wait till I find something sharp to cut open the tape. This is how you see after opening the top lid of the box. Well, it seems like my friend has opened the box before delivering it. So here I can see the purchase invoice also. But for me, this is the first time. And there's a getting started guide. Underneath we can see USB connection cable, driver CD, power cable, and of course the printer. We'll take the printer out and see if there's anything else inside the box. I took the printer out of the box and took it out of the protective polythene bag also. There wasn't anything below that. Let me open paper output and input trays also. And this is how it looks. That's all my friends. Hope to see you again.